Today we're going to make creative background blur in Photoshop in just 1 minute. With the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command J. Then go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters and then hit OK to convert it into a smart object. Then go to Filter again, Blur Gallery and Path Blur. Bring this point at the bottom and bring this point at the top. With the help of the middle point, we will create a curve. Now we're going to create one more line. Click and drag from the top to the bottom and then do the same. Alright, now let's have some fun with the hair. Just click and drag in the direction of the hair. We're going to create an S curve. Click and drag to the top on the left hand side. Click and drag to the bottom. We can do the same over here as well. Now once you're satisfied with all this, just hit OK. Now click on the mask button right here. With the brush selected and the foreground color black, make sure the foreground color is black. You can press X to toggle. Flow 9 or 10%, something like that. Just paint on the areas you want the focus back in. With little more tweaks, we have created a fantastic background blur in Photoshop.